Let's learn about anatomy of smart contract. So I am at remix.ethereum.org and I will remove this home page, and in last video we already created the simple solidity file and here is it. So I will go inside it and select all the code and remove the code, and let me zoom in the canvas like this. Okay, now let's write the first line that every solidity file have, which is /SPDX license identifier MIT. Okay, so what is this? When you check on it, you will see it's just a comment on the code. Technically it is a comment, but the Solidity compiler will looks for this specific code. Smart contracts are open source by nature. When you deploy this to blockchain, people need to know, can I copy this or can I edit this code? This line will answer that question. Currently I just add MIT, so if we check on MIT on Google, let's say MIT license. So here it's a open source software license from MIT that lets any user can copy, modify, merge, publish, distribute and so and so. So this is the most common license. It basically means anyone can use this code for anything free of charge. Then we have unlicensed. Unlicensed. So all in capital letters, and this means this is a private property, do not touch. So if you remove this line, Solidity will give you a warning, and that is annoying. So as a best practice, always use license identifier, and in this course we will use MIT as our license. Okay, in the next line I will add Pragma Solidity, and here I will add the compiler version. So I will add 0.8. Let's add 30 and semicolon to close the line. And so this is the instruction for compiler. So we use compiler to turn our code into a bytecode. As we all know, Solidity is a new language, which means it changes fast. So code written 2 years ago might not work today. So this line tells the compiler, only compile this code if you are the version 0.8.30. Currently we got an error, and if we go to the compiler, our current compiler is 0.8.31, and if we check here we have 0.8.30. If I select it and save it, we got the green check mark. However, let's make our compiler version to 0.8.31 and save it. We got the error, and we can add the caret symbol in front of the Solidity version. This means use version 0.8.30 or 300 newer version. So if I save it, we got the green check mark, and if we remove this caret sign, it means use exactly version 0.8.30. So for learning, we will use this caret sign, but in professional job, never use the caret sign. Always lock your code to a specific version that you plan to compile with, because it will smoothly run the compiler version that you already built the code, and it helps the improve security. Okay, now we have contract, and I will here add the contract name, my first contract, and I will add the curly braces. Here we go. This is the main container. If you come from JavaScript, Java or Python, think of a contract like a class. Everything inside those curly braces is logic that lives on the blockchain. Your variables, your functions and your events, everything goes inside the brackets. So we use this scope to develop our contracts, and this is the basic and fundamental structure of the Solidity code. So first we have legal license, and then we have the compiler, and here we have the contract or container for our Solidity code. In future lessons you will learn more about imports, interfaces, libraries, and many more stuff. Okay, and here we have light theme and dark theme. Let me know which theme I should use. I think dark theme is better, but if it's not clear, just let me know and I will see you in the next lesson.